Designed to solve and avoid certain personal transportation problems, or just having fun, these bike inventions are going to make you rethink what a bike can be. Meet CanguRo. Developed at Chiba Institute of Technology in Japan, CanguRo is both a bike and an intelligent autonomous robot. It is also known as Ridroid robot, a mashup of ride and android. This 64-kilogram autonomous bike doesn't use a display to let the rider know the speed, but instead it generates pulses like heartbeats transmitted to the rider through the seat. Though the robot bike looks production ready, you may never find it on sale as it's just a research project. Introducing Biohybrid, strong, convenient, and fit for everyday use. This lightweight electric vehicle combines the freedom and agility of a bicycle and weather protection of a small car. It comes in two versions, passenger and cargo, both with a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour. The passenger edition comes with a variable luggage compartment and additional storage space at the rear, whereas the cargo edition has a pickup bed that can accommodate a transport box of up to 1,500 liters of volume and 200 kilograms of payload. Introducing the CanguRo. It is a 399cc urban commuter bike with the freedom and agility of a two-wheeler and the ease and safety of a car. With its innovative patented hydraulic tilting system, HTS, the CanguRo has a perfect response to all riding conditions. The HTS guarantees a simultaneous tilt of all wheels while maintaining perfect adherence to the ground. Priced at $24,000, the CanguRo can cruise up to 90 kilometers per hour and cover about 250 kilometers on its 14-liter tank. Meet Trigo. Unlike the Biohybrid, Trigo is something between a motorbike and a car. Like a car, Trigo is equipped with 4 wheels, an enclosed cabin, a steering wheel, AC, backrest seats with seat belts, and even an airbag. Like a motorbike, Trigo is capable of leaning while cornering, so the driver feels like he or she is on a motorbike. To charge the vehicle, the user may choose to replace the battery with a charged one at Trigo's charging station.